Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and I'm here to show you how to use sound markers on the F1 field recorder to make it easier to sync audio with your video. Audio can be recorded directly with video by connecting the F1 output to your camera. Since it is running through the camera's input preamp, the audio saved to your camera's SD card will have more noise than the audio saved to your F1 SD card. To address this issue, you can sync the audio saved to the F1 with the video saved to your camera. The F1 sound marker can be used to easily sync your audio and video. The sound marker emits a half-second tone signal when the record button is pressed, and again when the recording is stopped. To enable the sound marker, while pressing stop, press the record level button to open the menu screen. Use the low cut and limiter buttons to scroll up and down to highlight record play from the menu list. Press the record level button to select it. Scroll down to sound marker and select it. Scroll down and select on. Be mindful of the F1 volume if you're monitoring your audio with headphones because the sound marker can be loud in volume. This tone is recorded to the F1 SD card audio, as well as output through the headphone output. If you connect the output to your camera, you can record this tone to the audio on the camera's video file. Now you can easily copy both the camera video file and the F1 audio files into your editing software, and use the sound marker tone to line up your audio easily. Then, mute the audio attached to your video file, and you're left with the higher quality audio recorded on the F1. For more information about Zoom products, please visit zoom-na.com.